Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I want to show you, I've been traveling, and I'm getting ready to travel again next week, and I want to show you what I am taking with me and do a get ready with me while I show you what I have brought for traveling. This past weekend, I did not do any makeup at all because my event was getting rained on. So anyway, let's start with the La Roche-Posay, not that other word, Posay. And this is a sunscreen, and it is a light fluid sunscreen, ultralight with Cellulose Shield, 60 SPF. And you gotta shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And I have been trying to use this when I'm going out in the world. And it looks like that. It looks very white. But when you put it on your face, it just disappears. Because I'm trying not to get more freckles or wrinkles or dark spots. So I've been using this. I got it from Ulta. It was around $30, but this is a pretty big size bottle, so I'm really excited about that. So I've been using that. And then for a primer, I didn't pack primer, but I will use the Rare Beauty Luminous Primer. Simple squirt. I meant to put this in my pack, but I did not. Simple squirt and a little rub between your fingers. And it gives you a subtle glow underneath your makeup. It is great. Everything that I've packed is for speed, ease, and convenience. And then for what is it called? It's called concealer. It is a Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. I know it's not cheap, but it does an excellent job, and it's such a good skin color for me. Such a good match that I love it. And this is my second container of it that I've used. Put a little concealer where I want a little bit of highlight on my nose and above my brows. And my little concealer brush. It does a really good job moving everything around. And I like to take the concealer and help carve out my brow. And my nose, a little highlight, and a little highlight above my brow. I'm really trying to carve my brows out, girls and boys. And that looks really nice. Then for foundation, I'm using the number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced All-in-One Foundation. And this has SPF 50 in it. And it's got sunscreen in it, but it's not going to give me the coverage that this will give me. And this is about $16 or $17 at Target. And it is a fantastic foundation. This is in Cool Ivory. And it's a plastic tube, so you don't have to worry about it breaking in your bag. And it's a pretty good color match, especially when I have a little bit of color from being outside a bit. And then my foundation brush from It Cosmetics. And like I said, it's a nice match. It's got a little bit of color to it. It's not as fair as some of my other foundations that I have, but like it's good for the summer. Then I've got my Ever Faithful. I've been using this for a really, really long time. And this is my Tatcha Radiant Translucent Setting Powder. And it is fantastic. And it lasts forever and ever and ever. I like to powder my eyes and then go the rest of my face. Just kind of set the foundation. Keeping the brushes out of the bag right now. And then for bronzer, I've been using Charlotte Tilbury again. Charlotte Tilbury Film Strip Bronze and Glow. And I've been using the bronze, but not the glow. And it is a beautiful light bronzer. And it is in fair medium. Oh, that's dark. Under the chin, carve out some less conspicuous things, like my jowls. Like, give me a little bit of fun there. And then I've been using the Pat McGrath. This is such a great natural look. It is the Divine Blush and Glow Trio, Galactic Sun, Divine Rose, Desert Orchid, and Golden Nectar. I've been using it a long time and the embossing is still there, which is crazy. And I'm going to go for the more natural rosy one right here. And just blush it up. Blush it up. Ooh, ooh, blush it up. I am going to take a tissue and wipe away some of this bronzer up top. It's a little dark for my taste. Look at all that I took off. But it's all good. And I brought two palettes with me. I brought Tiny Marbles, and I bought Trixie's Cosmetics Bottle Blonde. And this is from Sydney Grace by Mel Thompson. R.I.P. Mel Thompson. But it's just a beautiful palette to make lots of looks. And I don't use it that much, but I thought I would bring it. And this is a great palette. So I will use the Tiny Marble palette. And like I said, I don't use it much, but it's so beautiful. It's an easy palette to love. So I will get in here into Tree Hopper. It's just a nice neutral crease color. It's really nice. And as you saw, I used concealer for my primer for my eye. And that looks super good. Now I'm going to go into so hard to choose. There's such great colors. I'm going to go into Love Bug, this kind of purple. Put it in the outside corner and into the crease a little bit. Love Bug done guide me. Looks super pretty. A little bit on my lid. But now I'm going to go into Fire Butts with my fingertip. Put it on the inside corner. Ah, fuck. I'll just put it across my whole lid and crease there. It's spectacular. And Fire Butts is another name for lightning bugs. And this palette has been a super popular palette for a long time. Ooh, I'm feeling sassy, insecure. Insecure. What else should I do to my eyes? I think I should go a little bit darker with Bugaboo, which is kind of a maroon color. Ooh, look at that. Pigment. I'm just putting it on the outside corner. Just a real simple look. And that is all I'm going to do with that. I'm now going to put on my eyeliner, which is the Stila Stay All Day. And it's a double-ended eyeliner. That's the skinny line. This is the fatter line. I need the fatter line to carve out my little flick of a cat eye. And this really pulls the look together. It really helps define everything. So now I'm going to do mascara. And I have brought the Telescopic Lift from L'Oreal. And it's got a real skinny little wand there. So I want length. And this gives length. It's a really great lengthening mascara. It goes on super easy. It makes my lashes super long. I am loving it. And I like to have a mascara, and once I open it, this is kind of a wet formula. I've had it for a couple months, so it's not as wet as it once was. It's a little drier now. I got a big ball of mascara happening. And that's not cool. So I grab got a little on the bridge of my nose. And it's on the inside of my lashes. So I'm going to try to get it because it's a super blob. All right, that looks super cute. Now for my lip, I brought two colors, my two favorite colors. I brought 115 Founder, and I brought 65, which is Seductress. Obviously one's dark and one's not. I'm gonna go with the more light color. I don't feel like it's like daytime now, you know. I don't want to have a dark mistress moment. And that is a great nude color. And voila, you now know what I am packing on my trip. And I've done a full face in 15 minutes, which is pretty impressive. So I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.